Shalom, today is day 38 of the counting of the Omer. Today's attributes are Tiferes, shebbe, Yesod, beauty within foundation. Otherwise rendered as harmony within foundation. Tiferes represents unity, harmony, and the resultant beauty of a perfect blend of opposites. A foundation needs to be a structure that is balanced enough to support a building. Foundational beliefs need to be congruent in order to provide a basis for an overall belief system. In life, many people have implicit assumptions that guide their thought and action. Yet for the most part, unless a conscious effort is made to discern the nature of one's presuppositions, they remain hidden. For myself, I would like to be able to harness all my thought, speech, and action to be in accordance with my belief and practice. Yet it is possible that unknown presuppositions, contrary to my belief system, may hinder this endeavor. So while it is assumed that predominantly people who have not immersed themselves within a comprehensive belief system are guided or misguided by their presuppositions, I do not think that anyone, including myself, is immune to facets of their lives that have not been fully accounted for or reined in, so to speak, to use another metaphor, under one's thumb. Ideally, all aspects of oneself need to be brought into alignment with an overall framework of belief and practice. This is the basic structure, not only of religion, also any ethical or moral system. Belief and commandments based upon that belief, ethics and a way of life based upon those ethics, morals and a life grounded in morality. If there is a disconnect between the two, where the adherent is not walking in accordance with sound principles, then there is a neglect of practicing what one upholds as truth or a standard of righteousness. For those who live solely according to their unknown presuppositions, the path is unclear. Without a standard, there can be no foundation consisting of a basic groundwork, tenets, and truths. The ideal task for anyone, including myself, would be to harmonize all areas of one's life, especially so that one is truly in accord with the standard in life. The ethical and moral principles of the commandments are derived from the authority of God, so that belief in God is primary in order to receive the commandments as divine decrees. Yet, for those who are simply trying to be a mensch, a good person, I commend you.